Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make seaweed in a blender. First, select your seaweed. You can use fresh or dried varieties, but always ensure it's thoroughly cleaned. Next, prepare your blender. A clean, powerful blender works best for achieving a smooth consistency. Finally, have a small amount of water or other liquid ready to help with blending. This will ensure a perfect texture. Now let's get blending. Start by cutting your seaweed into smaller, manageable pieces, about 1 to 2 inches long. This helps your blender process it more efficiently. Add the seaweed to your blender, along with a small amount of liquid, perhaps 1/4 cup to begin. Start blending on a low setting, then slowly increase the speed until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides. Achieving the perfect texture is key. If your mixture is too thick, add more liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, and blend again. Continue this process until you reach your desired consistency, whether it's a thick paste or a thinner liquid. Blend in short bursts to prevent the blender from overheating and to maintain the seaweed's nutrients. Always check the texture frequently to ensure it's just right. Once your seaweed is perfectly blended, it's time for storage and use. Transfer the blended seaweed to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. For optimal freshness, try to use it within 3 to 5 days. This versatile ingredient can be added to smoothies for a nutrient boost, mixed into sauces, or even used as a base for dressings. Enjoy the benefits of this amazing superfood.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.